Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Hi.
I'm alright. Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, it's been already more than 6 months, maybe since we had last conversation, isn't it?
Yeah, except that we did have a short conversation earlier this week.
Yeah, earlier this week we had a short conversation, but you were on the road just heading to your home from your work. But it's not really a good conversation, but just a complimentary gratification.
True. That's true.
Yeah, so what are you doing with your nail? I see something that you wrapped something on your nail?
Yeah, I'm removing the old nail polish.
Oh, you are removing the nail polish. Dear friend, how many snakes now do you have?
Fine.
Five snakes. And which one is the biggest snake?
Diablo is the biggest.
Can I see your
I know
snake?
I'm not scared of that. Here he is.
Oh my gosh, is it a python or
No, he's a boa constrictor.
maybe this snake is thinking that my owner is turning at me. That's why getting something like very scary.
This one is a bit. He has a bit of attitude problem. That one.
Yeah. It's a petrifying things that what you are doing.
No, they're nice most of the time.
But could you tell me what's really benefit of you to have those kind of a snake?
They're comforting.
Just your hobby, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. But how much dollars you have to spend for giving their food?
In dollars, I would say maybe 180, $200, maybe per month.
Oh, $200 for a month. Okay, I got you. As I know, the whatever the tiny or biggest one, they have the same venom, snake venom.
They don't have venom.
Oh, they don't have venom. Okay. Do they poop on their nest?
They do poop. They poop a lot.
Who clean
They
their
don't
poop?
poop often, but when they do poop, they poop a whole bunch. And it smells really fucking bad when they do.
Yeah, but who clean their poop from the nest?
I do.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Is not a stinky smell of their poop?
It is. It's a very special and unique smell.
Yeah. You know what? Why did I ask this question? It because I was trying to understand that how you love to your snake. Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna show something. Look at that. Look at that. Do you
Oh,
know?
Coke?
Do you know?
No, that's not Coke.
Yeah, but we people don't get Coca-Cola here in my country. Most of the people just use these soft drinks instead of using Coca-Cola. Look at that. Do you understand the sign of this? Do you understand?
It's a fist.
Yeah, fist. Yeah, all right. But you know the color of the sign is like a Palestine flag. You know? Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and moreover, and look at that. We support Palestine. Here, the one of the sign right over there.
Oh,
Okay, we support Palestine.
nice.
Look at that. Look, if we people get one from the shop, one taka, our money goes to the Palestine.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So, because
That's
of
nice to know.
yeah, we are doing this because of supporting the Palestine and what's going on over there, being so much chaos, atrocities, and missing, assassinated. It's really horrible things. We are really so.
Yeah.
It's really weird. Anyway, so I do, and I also just like to request you if you have this kind of soft drinks when
You
you
would
go
buy.
to the outside of your home. So try to get out of their product. I won't really mention their name now.
Yeah, we
Uh,
don't have that here in Sweden, but I will look for it. If I find it, I will buy it.
oh, sure. No, it's our indigenous product. I think you wouldn't find out of my country, but you can find the alternatives of Coca-Cola. Okay, so you will get that.
Yeah, yeah.
So, my dear friend, thank you so much for being so much generous to me, and really welcome to you and enjoy your time. Bye.
Bye.